The storms moved across the Missouri River. Officials confirm a tornado struck Bond County, Illinois. A woman there is now recovering at a St. Louis hospital. Her family says she was running to safety the moment the storm hit. Moments later, her home crashed to the ground. 5 on your side's Brent Solomon was the only reporter there moments after it happened.
It's definitely devastating.
Street signs toppled to the ground. Trees snapped in half. Only a snapshot of the new reality for several Bond County families.
Her brother called me and said that I need to get down there and help if I could.
And when Linus Marty got here to Millersburg and Cottonwood Road,
there's nothing left of it. Nothing left of this, her house, her shed, and the neighbor's house.
His sister-in-law was preparing to get to a safe place.
She just opened the basement door up to head down steps when it hit.
Within moments, her home was no longer standing.
Her brother said that she was wandering around out in the yard, didn't know where she was at. She just knew the house was blown away.
Across the street, a neighbor's home also destroyed. Relatives say no one was inside, although they were still looking for their dogs hours after the storm. Authorities here shutting down the main road for hours, and for good reason. Downed power lines, debris, and other road hazards.
Yeah, I've been running down to Missouri, so I'm just trying to get back home.
James Rhodes is a truck driver who has no choice but to wait it out.
I've been here a couple hours now.
Understanding the gravity of the situation is fueling his patience as first responders worked to get things back to normal, especially since there are families here who have lost it all.
It isn't none anymore. It's all gone. It's scattered out across the yard out there, peeled.
Is that the hardest part about this?
Yeah. She had a tote of family pictures in the one closet, and it's gone. So that's what she's mostly worried about.
Memories lost in a severe storm. Relatives wish never would have happened.
There's nothing left of it.
Brent Solomon, 5 on your side.